How to fix Money Network app won't let me log in. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Money Network application is not letting you log in, you need to make sure that there is no existed account with the credentials that you are trying to log in into your Money Network account. If there is any existed account, you actually have to tap on the login button. If that is not the case, check for the credentials that you are using. Make sure the email address, password, or any other authentication that you are trying to use to log in is correct. If still this does not work, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. To solve it, tap Open your phone settings. Scroll down, head over to Applications, tap on All apps, tap on the search icon to search for Money Network. Firstly, you need to tap on the Force Stop button and OK. After which, tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After this, the issue of your application not letting you log in must be solved. One of the most important thing is that make sure you are not connected to a VPN connection. If you are connected to a VPN connection and you try to log in, there might be a reason why you are not allowed to do so. So make sure to quickly disable it. By following these methods, you'll be able to fix your app not letting you log in. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.